Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope things are smooth and streamlined with you, and I expect that you are utilizing this time for your studies and other businesses. In the previous video lecture we did exercise 10.2 question number 1. It was you have to prove the theorem, just like a theorem, but here you have to use two different circles that are congruent. Similar fashion, question number 2 is you have to do it the converse of this theorem, and we have done the theorem 10.2. Just to go through that approach, you can do it of your own. It is left as home assignment for you. In today's video lecture we are going to prove the theorem 10.3. It is mentioned in your textbook. It is the perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Very important theorem, and it will be frequently used in questions. This theorem you will find very helpful in the next class also. So remember this, it is a very important theorem. So I hope you will learn this, you will understand this theorem very keenly. So let us draw a circle. This is your circle. So let us suppose this is the chord AB. So what we have to do is, suppose this is the center, let center be O. If OM is drawn perpendicular on chord AB, then according to this theorem, this OM bisects the AB. This OM bisects the AB. What does that mean? AM equals MB. Bisect means two equal parts. So this is the statement of this theorem. Let us write. Statement is the perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. It is given in the textbook. We have to prove that AM equals MB. First of all, we will write the given. What is given? Simple. OM is perpendicular on chord AB of circle with center O and radius R. This statement I forgot to explain it to you, that circle with center O radius R, we write it in a short way: circle C with center O radius R. This is short form of this. Circle C, that is circle with center O radius R, we write in the short way in this form: circle C, center O, radius R. To prove AM equals MB. AM equals MB. I hope you have got the concept that what we are supposed to prove. We are supposed to prove it. This perpendicular, it bisects the chord. Bisect means two equal parts, means AM is equal to MB. So construction: join OA and OB. Join OA and OB. So let's prove it. Proof in triangles. How will you prove it? Simple. If we are able to make this triangle and this triangle congruent, we are through. We will write AM equals MB by what? By CPCT. So very simple concept of congruent comes into play again. Very important concept. Please, if you have some difficulty in understanding the concept of let me know that. We have also done a lot of video lectures on the congruence. Please go through them. If you still find any difficulty, please let me know that I will explain it to you. So let us prove it. I have the unavailability of the space. Please, while watching the video here, pause the video to note it down. So we will write proof in triangles OAM and OBM. OA equals OBY. OA equals OBY, radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Angle OMA equals angle OMBY. Each 90, because OM is perpendicular on IB, means this angle 90. Each 90. And what is the third condition? Simple. OM equals OM. Why? OM equals OM common. So by what criteria? It is right hypotenuse side. How? This is right triangle, this is hypotenuse, this is side. This is right triangle, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is side opposite to the right angle, this is side. So in case of right triangles, we use RHS, right hypotenuse side. Right hypotenuse side, not AAS, angle side. Or here we have the two sides. So in the right, in case of right angles, we name the congruence by RHS. We have already discussed about this in the previous video lectures. So by RHS, triangle OMA is congruent triangle to OMB. So what happens if triangles are congruent? Their corresponding parts are equal. Therefore, AM equals MB. By what? By CPCT. What does that mean? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle, CPCT. So that proves the theorem. Or OM bisects AB. OM bisects AB. Simple. OM was drawn perpendicular on side AB. We were supposed to it bisects AB. What we did, just make these two triangles congruent with the help of RHS. AM equals, with the help of RHS, then AM equals MB by CPCT. So we are through. So I hope you will get it. If you still find any difficulty in understanding this question, please let me know that I can explain it to you also. And if you have any suggestion, please feel free to ask me. Your suggestions are most welcomed. Thank you, class.